You how to illuminate a 3-foot balloon using one single sparkle ribbon. It's a really cool effect, and we are doing this by the request of our customer. The first thing you want to do is use a Qualitex 3-footer, and these come in 2 packs. We already took one out and pre-inflated it off camera. So you can see it's stretched out a little bit. The reason that we did this is that it'll be a little bit easier to work with because we are going to use a raisin twist. To create our raisin twist, we want to use either a full 160 cut in half or else 2 160 scraps. And we're going to take it, and first we're going to just make a little knot that's going to be big enough to tie around so that we have something to grab onto and to hang the sparkle ribbon from. Now you could either leave the ends when you do this, or else you could go ahead and snip them off. If you leave the ends, you let them hang through the top, and then sometimes you could do cool effects by attaching things to the outside of your balloon as well. Okay, so after I have my little knot, what I'm going to do is find the inside of the balloon. And I think this is always the trickiest part. You need to find the center. And I like to work upside down. Oops. Find that part. I'm going to put the knot right there. And then push up and through the middle. Once it's through, on the other side, you're going to stretch it out as far as you can. And remember, this is going to take away some give from your balloon. And take the other part of the 160, and you're going to secure it by knotting tightly. So I've gone around once. Twice. Let's do 3 for good luck. Make sure it's very tight, not going to pull off. Get this stretched all the way to the end. Go ahead and cut off or rip off the edges. Next, we're going to take our sparkle ribbon. You could either get these from your local distributor or buy them direct from us at sparklelights.com, or pretty soon at party.online.com too. You'll notice that when you open up the sparkle ribbon from your package, it's going to have a ribbon attached to it on a clasp. You want to just take this and pull the ribbon off. You can go ahead and save that to use later as your curling ribbon. The other thing to be aware of is that these do have a pull tab so that they don't get activated during shipping. So you just pull that out, and then you could turn it on and set it to the effect that you want, either glowing, blinking, or flashing quickly. We're going to do this one in glow. Want to take your edge with your little clasp, and we are going to go ahead and just secure it. Oops. Right above the knot. Just go ahead and put it all the way through until there's a little tiny circle at the end. You want to make sure that it's in there. And then you're going to turn it back and feed your balloon right back through. So you should have this in the center of the top of the balloon. Now for today's effect, we are just going to air fill. You could do this either air filled and put it on top of a column, or else you could fill it with helium and it will float for a couple days even with the helium and the sparkle ribbon. We are going to use the Conwin Precision Air to fill this up, so it will be a little bit noisy, but that's the quickest way to go. Now when you fill, you just want to have your hand around loosely enough so that the ribbon is going to be able to go through the top. Sorry. And then, as you can see, just even in dim light, you can see it starting to light up. And with the lights down, this is the pretty effect that you're going to get with the entire thing lit up as an orb. The dimmer it is, the more beautiful it's going to look, but you really do get an effect in any sort of low lighting. Let's go ahead and raise the lights a little bit. So this is pretty much ambient lighting. And there you go. So that is a sparkle ribbon on the inside of a 3-foot balloon. Thank you for watching. Okay, now we're going to show you a variation using a white balloon with pink sparkle ribbon. It's going to be amazing. We're going to try it this time, doing something different. We're going to put the ball inside of the balloon. So just go ahead, drop it in. And again, you're going to inflate. You can see already how the entire balloon is glowing pink. Then we'll go ahead, turn off the lights, and you could see the pretty effect that you have with your pink and purple glowing orb. Just gorgeous. I love it. Don't forget, we have multicolor also. Wow, that snapped and got me. Guess I can't go all the way. Holy cow, did that hurt. It popped.